And now let's have Bix of Bix Buzz and Abante.
Hi, Rovi, and... Ay, sorry.
Angelina.
Angelina,
Oh,
sorry.
Angelina.
Yes, hi. Since this is your first Christmas as a love team, ano yung Christmas plans ninyo?
Me, I'm going to Tarlac.
Tarlac?
I'm going to the province this Christmas. Yeah. How about you?
Ako naman, I'm just gonna stay at home. I'm gonna spend time with my family.
Yes. Pero kayo ba, tradition, nasubukan nyo ng mag-travel outside the country during Christmas?
I got to experience it sa Amerika. Nakapag-Amerika ako for Christmas twice.
Oh,
Yeah,
how was it?
Sobrang saya din. Ako doon, talagang nararamdaman ko yung panahon ng Pasko doon dahil malamig doon eh. Dito kasi mainit, hindi nagbabago yung yung panahon. Pero doon kasi malamig. And doon sa Amerika, naalala ko, ang mura ng mga dapat mahalin na gamit. May mga sale at outlet.
Yung mga Black Friday
Yung mga
sale.
Black Friday
ganon.
sale, yeah. So, I'd say that was my experience abroad during Christmas.
How about you, Angelina?
Na-try ko din na mag-States, US, for Christmas, dati nung bata pa ako, with my family, my sisters.
Have you seen snow before?
Yes, I have.
Snowman. Ikaw ba naglaro ng snowman? Tama ba? Snowman?
Yeah, snowman.
Snowman, snowballs.
Yeah, snow cone.
Kayo ba may Christmas tradition na parang ginagawa every year? Like, yung mga medyas or namimigay sa mga inaanak?
Kami Noche Buena lang.
Noche Buena. Kami usually Noche Buena sa tatay ko, sa lolo ko at lola sa dad's side. Tapos sa araw ng Pasko, mom's side. Tapos ganun din sa bagong taon. So New Year's Eve, dad's side. New Year's Day, mom's side.
So parating kayo complete every feast?
Sa mga kayang pumunta, nakakapunta. Yeah.
How about you, Angelina?
Sorry, what's the question?
Kung may tradition ba kayo every Christmas? Like yung mga nag-ano ng medyas?
Noche Buena lang po. Yun lang.
And last ko na lang, ano yung ilo-look forward namin sa inyo next year?
Next year, well, for now, wala pa. Wala pa for now. But hopefully, my projects next year.
As love team din.
Well, I'm looking forward and hoping for more projects. Yeah. Sa ngayon, parehas din kami ni Angelina na wala pa kaming naririnig tungkol sa konkretong plano sa mga acting projects or kung na-cast na kami. Whether those projects be together or apart, I'm hoping that we'll get projects. Yeah.
But for sure, this Alibi will open more doors for you.
Oh, thank you so much. We hope so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Bix. Okay, so we talked about your projects next year together. How about as individuals? Like, I know you also sing. You're very musically inclined. Nakita nga natin sa video. Nag-keyboards ka. Meron ka bang, was that a harmonica?
Yeah, harmonica.
Yes. So, can you tell us about your plans? Ano pa yung mga gusto mong gawin next year?
Next year, well, hopefully, music next year. But as of now, kasi, my focus is really acting and working on that. Because I've tried doing the music. I've tried releasing music before and pursuing singing when I was in high school, college. Tapos ngayon, now that I have so much time for myself, now that I've graduated, I want to try acting. Yun lang.
All right. How about you, Robbie? We know you've also delved into hosting na rin. Congratulations
Yeah,
sa Star
thank you.
Magical Christmas hosting.
Thank you, thank
sa
you.
red carpet. Oh.
Well, syempre, you'll catch me on Mix. So, we're on YouTube and on the Mix cable channel. So, check me out there, guys. We actually have a series on Mix called Mix Now, which airs from Monday to Friday, where we interview all of the new up-and-coming and some legendary, very long-time artists. Anybody who's released music or has projects, we usually invite them to play games with us, get to know them. So, it's fun. And then, hopefully, I'm really praying for acting opportunities next year. Yeah.
May isa ka pang nabanggit sa akin. Star Magic All-Star Games? Are you finally joining next year?
I'll play. I'll sign up and play
Yay!
next year. Yeah.
Kapluz! Paging Kapluz. Kasi this year pala, nung last Star Magic All-Star Games, sinasabi ko, hindi ka ba magba-basketball? Pero yun nga, pinanood niya muna, tapos okay, sige, next year sali ako. So, we're looking forward to that as well. Do you play sports, Angelina?
I'm learning tennis. I play badminton. So if those sports are there, I'll join.
Well, there was a year na may badminton yung All-Star Games. So, tingnan natin. Pero sa ngayon, meron tayong question from Franz Sahorda.
Hi
Hello
guys.
po.
Hi. So, ayan, hi guys. A question, okay, bagong question. As batang 90s, naalala ko lang, nagtambal pala before sa movie, yung mom mo, mom ni Robbie at saka dad mo, si Seth. Napag-usapan niyo ba yun at any point na once upon a time nagtambal din sa movie si Sir Cesar saka si Miss Mikey?
Of course. I
Of
think yung unang pagkataon pa lang na may nagparamdam na may posibilidad na magsasama kami sa project. Sinabi, nung nag-usap na kami, parang, yun yung unang usapan. Can you imagine na our parents played movies? And what's funny also is, there was a time, siguro back in 2013, 2014, na tuwing linggo ako nagba-basketball kasama ng dad niya.
Yeah.
And it's like by chance lang. Like,
My dad
this is
remembers that.
Yeah, by chance lang. So the ways na we were connected without meeting was so interesting na we were like, panindigan na natin to. Let's do it. Let's go.
Yes. But now leading towards that, kasi, of course, you're considered showbiz royalties. And my question would be, ano yung advantage nun and disadvantage on your part now that nakatry na kayo mag-teleserye? Ano yung mga na-realize nyo na advantage ng pagiging isang showbiz royalty and disadvantage nung pagiging ganon?
Advantage, obviously, having them as my parents is a big advantage na, especially because I'm in showbiz industry. They get to guide me when it comes to acting. Sila po yung nagbibigay advice sa akin when it comes to acting. The nuances, I get that from my dad. Exercises I can do before scenes. Yung mga negative naman po is maybe the pressure and people's expectations are going to be very high because yun nga, I have very big shoes to fill because both my mom and my dad are award-winning actors and actors, and obviously their expectations will be high naturally. So yun lang naman po. But being showbiz royalty nga po is a very big advantage that it kind of outweighs the bad naman.
Thanks. And how about you?
Sorry, can you repeat the question for me?
So, ano yung you see na ngayon na na-experience mo na first-hand yung showbiz din, ano yung advantage na pagkakaroon ng parents sa popular na considered as royalties din sa showbiz and sa sports? And how do you deal with that na yung advantage and disadvantage on your part?
I agree with everything Angelina said, lalong-lalo na sa expectations. It's a blessing because, I've experienced in my life na hindi ako kilala, hindi nila alam yung apelido ko. Tinutulok ako dahil nandun yung lolo ko. They're shoving me to get to him. The moment na nalalaman nila na apo ako ni Jaworski or anak ako ni Mikey, all of a sudden, I'm treated with so much kindness and respect. So, there's a honor and privilege that comes with, being born into a family that is appreciated and acknowledged by so many. In terms of challenges, I guess it's always just, hindi naman ako si like Robert Jaworski or Dodo Jaworski or Mikey, but I'm myself. So trying to find my own way out of their shadow is it's a challenge because it's a big shadow that I feel is casted. But honestly, I just try to enjoy life. I just try to enjoy life kasi I focus on the blessings. I try to focus on the blessings rather than yung mga, yung mga implications.
Okay, last na lang ang question. Okay, so of course, napag-usapan na, the question is, napapanood nyo ba yung mga past projects ng mga parents nyo? What do you consider as your favorite na project ng mama and ikaw ng dad or mom mo na, okay. I will forever remember. And parang favorites ninyo. Sa mga
You know, when I was a kid, and then I used to say, Mom, let's watch your movie or your show. Tapos may makikita akong lalaki doon na hindi yung daddy ko. I storm out there.
Nag-walk out
leave
ka?
Nag-walk out. Sino yung kasama mo? Who's that? So, in that light, I'll stick to my favorite as a kid, Dorothy.
Me, Dory will always be.
Oo,
And-
I can.
yes, and how about you, Angelina? Favorite mo sa dad mo and sa mom mo?
Favorites sa dad ko. Can it be like both of them in one film? I really like Bullet.
Okay.
Bullet.
Okay,
Sa dad ko din, I like Jose Rizal and Murakami. That's what I used to watch a lot when I was a kid.
Anyway, I just wanna say na you're stepping out of those shadows already kasi Angelina, you ang galing-galing mo sa The Alibi, can I just say? Napapanood ko yung
salamat
mga
talaga
episodes.
po.
And you, Robbie, you're also showing potential. And sa mix, grabe.
Thank you,
Ang galing
thank you.
niya, napapanood niya. So congratulations, guys,
Thank
for
you.
Thank
being
you.
worthy of all this.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, friends. And ito, isisingit ko na lang din kasi very connected yung question ni Jason Laluna of Certified Kapamilya dito sa napapag-usapan na natin. This is for Robbie. Ano-ano yung traits na you think na mana mo from your dad and your mom na tumutulong sa'yo na mag-thrive sa mundong ginagalawan mo ngayon, which is showbiz? And for Angelina, well, the same. Yung ano-ano yung mga tingin mong namana mo? The traits.
My mom has this trait na tinatanggap niya lahat ng trabaho na or opportunities na lumalapit sa kanya kahit alam niya na masyadong madami na siyang ginagawa. So I think I share that quality and I think it's been a blessing for me. The last 4 years I've been practicing that. For my dad naman, napakalambing kasi ang daddy ko eh. You know, it's funny, between my mom and my dad, I say my dad is the more sensitive one.
Mas
Yun,
malambing.
Mas malambing siya, mas sensitive. So, I think I got that trait from my dad. I hope. Yeah, I'd say that.
Very malambing. How about you, Angelina?
A trait that I've gotten from my mom is, I think yung pagiging hardworking niya. You know, she's kind of like your mom, that she accepts all work that's given to her. So I feel like I'm the same in that sense. Yung dad ko naman, I feel like I guess his sense of humor. Yun lang, yung pagiging funny niya. I feel like I got my dad's sense of humor and my mom's hardworkingness.
Thank you, guys. And now, up next, we have Carlos Miguel Padua Aragon. Wow, mega kapamilya. Buo.
Paano mo
buo
nalaman
name.
yun? Anyways, hello, congratulations, Robbie.
Anyways.
Nagulat ako. Bakit full name?
Surprise. Happy birthday.
Robbie and Angelina. For my question, ano yung nagawa mo or ginawa mo this year, habits or anything, na sa tingin nyo, na hindi nyo nagagawin next year? Kasi kung isipin nyo, parang cringe siya or anything, ganon. Gets nyo?
Habit you're gonna break.
Yeah.
Oo.
A cringy habit or any habit I want to break? Kanina, hindi ko alam kung narinig mo, pero may nabanggit ako tungkol sa quality sleep. I think a struggle that I've been having with, the work-life balance is actually the quantity of sleep, the amount of hours I sleep in a day. So, if there's a bad habit I'd like to break for next year, it would be, I'll rephrase that. It would be, I'd like to improve my habit of sleeping or the quality of sleeping.
Angelina.
Me naman yung maybe procrastinating, kasi I like procrastinating a lot. I like to wait till the very last minute till I do things, and I like to break that habit.
And for my last question, ano yung New Year resolution nyo? Malapit na mag-New Year.
New Year resolution.
Ganun na rin yun, di ba? Yung tulog or hindi?
Yun talaga no?
Me naman, I want to start waking up early. Because I keep waking up at like 10, 11 a.m. I feel like that's too late to start the day. I want to start waking up 7, 8. Yun.
Nice. That's good. For me, I think it would improve my balance of everything. Like, lifestyle, exercise, diet, sleep. I do all, but it's not as consistent as I want. So that's my resolution. Be more consistent.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Alright, thank you very much, Carlos Miguel Padua Aragon of Mega Kapamilya. Thank you. And that wraps up our episode with Robbie and Angelina. But guys, wag kayong aalis dahil meron pa tayong makakasama later on na isa pang Star Magic artist na makakasama rin natin sa MMFF this December. But before that, guys, what's your final message to everyone watching? They're watching live right now, and they're all praises sa inyo. I'm reading the comments, may mga nagsasabing sobrang eloquent nyo daw, sobrang smart, may gusto ngang papasukin daw kayo sa PBB, they want to get to know you more. But anyway, anong message nyo sa kanila?
Hello to everyone watching. Salamat po sa mga nanonood ngayon. We really appreciate it. And of course, please watch The Alibi streaming on Prime Video every Friday, 6 p.m.
Hello po mga kapamilya. I'd like to take this time just to share with you guys and thank you guys for watching. I hope na you find appreciation sa overall message ng The Alibi and na may narinig kayong value dito sa kwentuhan namin at interview with Angelina and Ate Ai tonight. We'd like to wish you guys all a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Looking forward to hopefully being here again. And yeah, thank you.
Happy holidays!
Yay! Happy holidays! Thank you so much, guys! At thank you dahil naggulat-gulatan kayo kanina. Thank you dahil you indulged us with your screams. But we had so much fun talking to you guys. Thank you very much. Again, you guys watch The Alibi. It's now streaming on Prime Video. Okay, but hindi pa tayo nagtatapos. We have one more special guest coming up later. A few minutes lang, guys. Huwag kayong aalis. We're just gonna take a break for a few minutes. But for now, we'd like to thank Robbie Jaworski and Angelina Cruz for joining us on Star Magic Spotlight Press Con.
Thank you, kapamilya.
Happy holidays! Huwag
Have a
kayong
happy
aalis.
holidays.